We are here at the Grove community, which is a 5-star neighborhood. The Orchard House is one of the stunning standout in the community, which is warm and welcoming for people who want to work from home, and mainstay that's coming in, which will have the pickleball courts and the park that's going to be associated within the Grove. So we'll be doing an open house in a couple of minutes, and we are here today at the stunning Southgate home, which is at 15102 Crepe Myrtle Road, listed at 1.425 million. So this house is more beautiful than a model home itself. Personally, I am not so fond of filming model homes because that's not going to the place where we are going to stay at. But yes, this will be the place if it's going to be yours. So this is the study room. If you can see, it has like very long ceilings and the custom inbuilt cabinetry. Since COVID, everyone wants a beautiful workplace because that's where the most of the time is going to be, and this is like the perfect study room. So Southgate builder is a kind of builder which wants to give a boutique kind of experience. So when you go to a boutique, so what do you want to shop for? Something that's really unique, cozy and different, right? So this is that kind of builder which will give, and you can see in every detail of the craftsmanship as we go and tour the house. So this is the entry for the living room, and let's start with the primary guest suite, which is most of the home buyers are requiring for. So some in-laws or some parents don't want to use the stairs, which is so fabulously staged and designed, and it has an attached restroom as well, which has got a shower panel. This is something like I was telling, which is really unique about this Southgate home. So the media home typically is in the second floor for most of the builders, but this is something which Southgate has come up with, and most home buyers are appreciating it. So they just want to crash in after they cook, after they study, after they spend the time in the living room. So this is something they are really appreciating, and so one of the unique Southgate builder features. The living room, which is giving that ranch look Texas style with open light coming inside. The best part of the house is definitely the chef's dream kitchen with an oversized island, because we have got some center for the open house, some refreshments and snacks, because we will be tired hunting for the homes, and I hope they found this the best. All the custom upgrades, you can see the kitchen is definitely a masterpiece in the house, and this is a built-in refrigerator which is almost like 10K, and this is my favorite Genair coffee machine, which is almost 5K. I wish we had time to make some coffee. And so all the appliances have tons of upgrades, and the burner is also upgraded. So it has, I'm personally not fond of cooking, but if I have a fabulous kitchen like this, yes, I would cook every single day. And so we'll take a look at the formal dining. This is like a perfect formal dining space, which will during you can gather small parties. And the best part of the house is the premium turf. So this is not real grass because we have like water issues in Texas. We can't keep the grass green all the year round. But this is a very expensive premium turf. So basically very low maintenance of the backyard. You hardly see that there is nothing to be taken care of, and you can just come and party and then just like move in as quick as possible. And yeah, we'll go and have a look at the master bed. So this is a very spacious master bed. If you can see, perfectly staged and furnished with the overlooking the backyard, which is so beautiful. And if you want like complete privacy, the blinds are also very upgraded, and you can have however you wish to. And the best part I love in the Southgate builders is the way the restrooms. So if you can see, the restrooms are really big like every other builder, but this is something like really special about the Southgate builder. If you see the shower, so you can see what I meant by the craftsmanship. If you see, like you can just do a small walk in the morning. So you have 2 showers, and then it's so big and beautiful. So this is something very unique about the way the restrooms are designed in the Southgate builders. And we have a walk-in closet, so that's very beautiful. Vanity, so we have a dressing room personally designed apart from the main dresses. And you can see the lighting fixtures are all upgraded and like very premium. So, and let's go and look at the upstairs. In my open houses, you can see for yourself the selection of the tiles color and the countertops. It is just giving that kind of that vacation vibe. So it is so beautifully laid out. Even when you come to the laundry room, you can see the custom design of the Southgate builder. And the best part of the house is the garage. So you can see there is an wood type flooring which doesn't even look, so you can see the flooring, the way it's laid out. It is like another living room at most. It's not even looking like a garage, and it's a 2-car garage, but you can fit in 3 because the cabinets are removable, and request the owners can remove all the inbuilt cabinetry. This is one of the finest garages I have seen in the open houses I have posted. So what do you think, guys? Unbeatably, it is definitely more beautiful than a model home itself. If you are not able to come to the open house today, you want to have a private tour of the property, DM me, text me. We'll definitely get in touch and then tour this home and then make it yours.